Hi, my name is Gail Hodgson. I'm an artist and designer. So I can walk you through my favorite part of a fluid acrylic pour. After the mixing, which takes a lot of patience, you're mixing, quite a few different colors, and you got to get the right viscosity, and they all have to be in such a way that they mingle in a cup together, but they don't turn into mud. They don't overblend. That takes a lot of time and patience, but the most fun, the best part is when you actually pour onto the surface and then the magic starts happening. So that's really, really amazing. I love that. And you don't really know exactly what's going to happen either. So I also love that. Almost like participating in a flowing mystery. Yeah, that's the best part. It's like an experiment, like of science and art, really. And then seeing the outcome. And, it's not always a success either, but my favorite part is definitely that part, like where it just starts happening. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining me here today. So please subscribe and hit notifications so that you can see the videos coming out as we're making them.